Hey YouTube, welcome to Dog Works. We've been turning this Yerf Dog Off Road Go Kart into a true off-road machine. I think we pretty much got the front squared away. Now it's time to do the back. The rear swing arms of the Yerf Dogs are notorious for cracking and breaking, and I think we figured out why. It's made out of thin wool material, and it's only partially welded, like the rest of the go-karts. Adding to that, the suspension doesn't reflex. That's just leading to disaster. We're going to use the old swing arm for the basis of our new one. We're basically just going to keep this square bar. So let's get cutting. Alright guys, I have to go to martial arts now, but we pretty much got the basics of this thing down. So, I'll pick this back up tomorrow. Alright guys, it's a new day, and I'm ready to get on it. Today, we're going to make some bracing for these legs and a platform for the motor to sit on. So let me bend some metal. video here, and I think we accomplished the 3 things we set out to do. 1, it needs to look cool. And I think this thing looks pretty cool. Mission accomplished. 2, it needed to be strong. And once it's fully woven and braced, it's going to be stronger than this ever was. And 3, it needs to flex. And the old one, even with my dad on it, he couldn't get to flex. But this one, is much better. We still got plenty of work to do, so you might as well subscribe and don't miss anything. Like the video if you did, and I'll see you guys in the next one.